In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your V1W camera or vivid night camera to our LILIN NVR. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to setting. Then we will go to LPKG and then click on the car icon over here. It's going to ask you to sign in one more time. And we're going to want to make sure that our AI is turned on before our NVR actually can read the AI analytics. So first thing you want to do is make sure that enable object classification is checked. The different type of objects you want are checked. So we'll do person, and then I want car as well. And then make sure that prohibit zone is also checked. As for our detection zones, you can add up to 4. Here I've created 2. And once you've done that, hit apply. And then we're going to go to setting. So in setting, we have this one field over here. Same ID, object in same location, trigger only once. So what this means basically is that if you want an object event to be recorded only once, you would check it on. So that means when an object goes into frame and it has the same ID, and then it stops moving and then continues to move, the AI will only classify that as a single event so long as it's within 400 seconds. Once that timer's up, then it will trigger another event notification. If you have it off, then anytime an object goes into frame, stays still, and then moves again, the AI camera will classify that as 2 different events. So you can check whichever one you want, then hit apply. Then we go to our NVR webpage. As you can see, it doesn't look like there's anything going on with our camera. So let's try to turn on the AI, or at least to view it. First, we're going to want to go to metadata, go to the channel that your camera's in, so in this case, channel 2, and then click on camera detection. That should autofill everything on the left, and then on the right, we actually have to clear it all, and then select only the objects we turned on in our camera webpage. So I did person and car, and then we can also configure the display object box. So here, the object box is the box that shows up around the person or vehicle. The detection zone is the zone around the whole camera that we've designated. And we can also have them both on, so I'll just do that. And we hit apply. Next, we're going to go to alarm and make sure that the events actually get recorded whenever they happen. So we're going to want to select IP camera for channel 2, remember. And then we're going to want to hit apply here. Alright, so now if you do that, then you should be able to go through your playback and search by whatever event happens. If you want those events to be pushed to your phone, we can go to output and then notification. We're going to want to enable notifications, then go to channel events, select event number 5, restricted area, and then on channel 2, camera 2, click on the objects we had in our web page. Hit apply. The next field, alarm send interval, is how often you want to get notice when there is an event happening. So let's say a car is picked up by the AI. We don't need that car to be spamming our phones, so I'll set it to something like 50 seconds. So every 50 seconds I'll get a notification. You hit apply here, And once you've done that, we can check here that our AI actually shows up on the camera stream. You'll be able to see events on your playback, and you'll receive notifications on your phone. This is how you configure a Vivid Night camera on your LILIN NVR.